The Screenshots feature enables you to capture screenshots from any connected mobile device. This is useful to capture data that may not be included in a backup, or to capture how a particular app or screen appears to the user. The text of any screenshots is OCR'd, so you can search it later, and you can take screenshots on their own or just before a scan or a backup. The details of the connected mobile device are shown in the lower left corner, along with the screenshot group name and the screenshot name, followed by a sequential number. If you don't want to change these, you can just use the defaults. If you decide to create screenshot groups, it helps to separate the screenshots into distinct groups during later processing. You can also add comments to individual screenshots, which you can use to search and filter later on. So on the mobile device, navigate to the screen you want to capture, add any extra data, and then select the Take Screenshots button. Whatever is shown on the mobile device screen is what will be captured. On this iPhone, I want to capture the lock screen and all the app screens, and I'm going to use the default group naming convention. First app screen, second app screen, third app screen, and the last one. Now I want the Facebook profile page, and I want to be able to keep it in its own group. So I change the default group name down here to Facebook, and this will automatically make the screenshot name Facebook 001. I'm going to put Facebook profile page in the comments. Then I will navigate to Facebook, open the profile page, and take the screenshot. If I want to see the bottom bit of the page, I just take the screenshot again, move the page about, more screenshots. And you can see that the screenshot name is Facebook and then a sequential number. That's the last one. Now I want to navigate to the Evernote app and create an Evernote group and capture all the screenshots from it that I want. So again, I'm going to call my screenshot group Evernote. I don't want to add any comments. I've navigated to Evernote, and here we go. Profile page. And I'm going to see what notes there are on there. We have a drawing, which I shall annotate, a shopping list, more information that I want to capture. Oh, you can see I've got that twice, so I'm going to delete that one. I'll go back to the shopping list and make sure I get that screenshot. There we go. And then there is a further note there. When I've taken all the screenshots that I want, just click on the Continue button to go to the next screen where the screenshots are processed. Here is the screenshots capture. The screenshots are categorized into the different capture groups I used. All the usual functions are available in the function toolbar, such as zoom to make screenshots smaller or larger, or anywhere in between. Screenshots can also be tagged or commented and filtered. The Details pane displays the Properties tab and the Textual Content tab, which shows any recognized text. On this Facebook screenshot, the comment I added is shown, and the textual content shows the words recognized by the OCR function. The OCR text can be searched using the Search Tables function. As you can see, I searched for the word biscuits, and it found it in the textual contents of this Facebook screenshot. To summarize, screenshots can then be treated as any other recovered artifacts to help you review your data.